In this video, I'll show you how to sign a document on a Mac. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. So our first step is to open up Finder and you're going to find the document that you wish to sign. I'm going to use this document as an example. What I will do then is to click on Markup. You will see it right here at the bottom. For this example, your document does have to be a PDF format. Just in case your document is not on a PDF format, we do have a video explaining how to convert any document into a PDF. So make sure to watch it. It's very simple. After you open your PDF document, you will click on this icon that you see right here on the left. And then you're going to click on Create Signature. The first one is to use your computer trackpad, or you can use your camera. What you can do for this option is to grab a sticky note, you can sign on it, and then you can show it on your camera. And then the last option is to sign your name on your phone. If you want to use the trackpad option, simply click on here to begin, and then you can move your trackpad and create your signature. Once you're done, simply click on Done, and you will see your signature right here at the top. But honestly, I think using your camera is so much more easy than using a trackpad. All you need to do is grab a piece of paper, a pen. I'm going to create my signature. And after you have your name on the piece of paper, simply select Camera, and you're going to move it closer to this line that you see right here. And then move your paper closer to your camera. As you can see, your computer will automatically grab what's on your piece of paper. Then you can click on Done and your signature will be ready to go. To add the signature to the document, you will simply click again on the signature icon, select it, and then you can play around with it. You can move it wherever you need it to be. And you can also drag out the corners to make it bigger or smaller. After you add your signature, what you can do is simply click Done. And now your document is good to go and signed. Hope that helped.